Well, family, let me introduce you to Theodore. Theodore is a 1993 Ford F-150. As you can see, he's an old guy. I acquired Theodore about 10 years or so ago from my dad before he passed. He asked me if I could use him, and I said absolutely. I started to do a whole lot of body work, paint, and all that on him. But I talked with Mr. Ralph and my brother Terry, and they both said, probably be best just leave Theodore the way he is. That makes him special. So that's what I did. The only thing that I will probably do to Theodore is change out the interior, spruce it up a bit. But other than that, I'm going to let Theodore do his thing. He and I are getting ready to take a ride to the big box stores today and see what they got going on. I'm looking for some blueberry shrubs. I need about 3 more blueberry shrubs. And I'm going to let Theodore take me to the big box stores today to look for my blueberry shrubs. Okay? Or shrubs, not strubs. Shrubs. Yes, this is my partner, Mr. Theodore. My dad's name was Booker Theodore. That was his middle name. And I decided to name this truck Theodore. Theodore rides so good. I mean, it's like I'm in a whole nother world when I get in it and ride. It's so peaceful. And I often say the reason why that ride is so peaceful is because this truck is the spirit of my father. My dad, he was a very easygoing, no nonsense, hard-working man. I mean, that dude used to work 3-4 jobs, hustling on the side, scrapping junk and all that type of stuff. And he was a big-time fisherman. He always went fishing prior to going to work every single day. Every single day he would go fishing. That was his thing. He loved it. So I wanted to introduce you to my Theodore. And Theodore is special. He's a special truck. Special truck. And I'm going to tell you, see that? That's what my dad put on the back bumper. Work is for people who don't know how to fish. I said I was going to find another sticker with that on and replace that one, but you can tell that's what it says. Work is for people who don't know how to fish. I tell you, that man fished every day. Every single day. Theodore is going to continue to carry the memory of my father. And one day I will more than likely retire Theodore and just let him sit, do his thing. But Theodore works. I jump in him and I take him to the stores when I'm getting a whole bunch of stuff that I need to throw in the back bed. And he takes me there and gets me back. That's pretty much what I use Theodore for, is to take me to the stores to haul stuff. And he does the job. All right, so we're back, Theodore and I, from our shopping. And we're getting ready to show you what our haul looks like. Went to some local stores. And let's go take a look at what we brought back. All right, so I've got everything lined up here, separated from two different stores. So we first stopped at Tractor Supply, and this is our haul from Tractor Supply. Zoom in a little bit on that. So we got a party flock for the birds, a couple of blueberry shrubs, some berry tone for my berry trees and shrubs, and grit for the chickens. I also got some utility knives because I needed some of those. And in the back here, we've got, try to zoom in on that. We've got some heirloom bush cucumbers and pickling cucumbers. There's some there also. And right in the middle here is butternut squash. I plan on making some hot sauce this year, so I've been racking in different types of peppers, hot peppers. So you got the Fresno chili there, and here we have the Serrano hot pepper, and then I got another habanero pepper. There you go. And that's our Tractor Supply haul. Then we went on down the street to Lowe's and picked up some more stuff. I wanted some more houseplants, so I bought this enormous peace lily, and yeah, there she is. Beautiful peace lily to go in my home. And then this particular plant here, it's a fiddle fig plant, very popular. Let's see, fiddle leaf fig plant. I figured I'd try my hand at this one. It can be a little finicky. It needs just the right light, just the right temperature, moisture level. So I'll try my hand at it, see how it goes. But those two are for the home, inside the home. And then I have a grapevine that has died on me, so I decided to go on and get another grapevine to replace it. And you'll see more Boston cucumbers. I'm going to rack up on my cucumbers this year. I like to pickle them. The ones I did last year, every jar went bye-bye to family and friends, so I figure I better do more this year, so I'm racking in on that. And then the last plant is the Black Beauty eggplant. I love eggplants. I like to saute them and put them in stir fries, put them inside my omelets, that type of thing. But yeah, those are the Black Beauty eggplants. And then my last item here from Lowe's haul is just a nozzle, another nozzle I needed to get for my water hose. The one I have on there is shot. It's spraying water everywhere. I replaced the what is it? The gosh, my draw's a blank, but this piece right here. Yeah, and that didn't work, so I figured it's done. So that's it. That's the Lowe's haul. And we have our lovely Tractor Supply haul. All right. So there you have it, family. That's the haul that I have for today. Took Theodore out to help me get that stuff back here, and we're back. So I'm going to get all this put back in the back yard, and I probably won't do any planting today. I'm going to chill today, but I'll at least get it in the back situated to, you know, put in the spot where it's going to go. And then maybe tomorrow I'll get them put in the ground. But thank you for joining me on my little shopping haul today with Theodore. You all have a beautiful Sunday. And again, this is Sunday 7 with AN-T-NEES. Love you all. Be blessed. Please like and subscribe. Share the channel with your friends. And we'll talk again soon. These are the Honky Talk Chronicles. Have a great day.